Menteri ubadeiru unong aiktin ka sorkar uba polling do hagasan tarik unai wing uloong baka jingplie biang ya ka surok them yo molong ha Them Metor kamdan satya kanu ka jingiadei berkarai penkynriah ya kilai spa sapu art likilong yeng Harijan na kanika jaka. Habakren sakilap thai kubor ubak pol ulanyo ya karai jong ka sorkar kum ka basyong nongrim namar ka jingkap nya ki surok yat kali bat namar ka jing ka bagi patba kilamat hakalet kawan mentala palat henrius nam kenti. Ngam yo i bakandan jingiadei hapadeng kate ka jingplie ya ka surok bat karai penkynriah ikilong yeng na Them Metor ulaong. Lapli biang ya kanika surak haka sau tarik naiwing haka bala syak ya kali tang nadu kapor prabaje menstem hadu sau baje janmien. Uni menteri ulapan pau ya kani hadian bakilami ki jingpen pau na kiseng balang bat kiseng san perthei ki balapan pau bakani ka jingplie biang ya kanika surak kanang penjalan syuk haka bayade baka jingpynkynriah ban penkynriah no ikini kilong yeng na pot Them Metor. Haka jing shisha haki ni henrius nyam ki balalet no ki kim sham lalong ki bayat bet ya renti haka ni kajaka ka badan jingma Henry mentang lala benweng ya kani dak ba ailat ya kalet kawan jing ki patba bat ki kali kumju na kani kajaka kumba julong kumta kade ka sin jam ka bakongsan balashim na kabenta benweng ya ka jingkapnya haka sorba hi barok kawe. Pitip baka jinglong jingman hakalit kawan kumba kalong menta bat kamdan satya kanu ka jingiadei bat kate kamat penkynriah ikilong yeng ong ubak pol. Ubak pol ula benrap ru da kabaong ka sorkar jela kalayai ban da kapor syakapor bakan penbet ya kani kakam bat baka don ru ya ka jingkut jingmut ka baskem ban pen urlong ya kani. Ka jingplie biang ya kani ka surok na Them yo maulong kamdan jingiadei bat kakam penkynriah ikilong yeng na Them Metor.
I think it was a practical decision in view of the traffic congestion, the general inconvenience being caused to members of the general public for the past 6 years. I don't see any link between that and the resolution of the current imbroglio vis-a-vis the relocation of the sweepers. In fact, the signal being sent for the past 6 years is that things are not in order. That area is a trouble zone. But today we have removed that image by normalizing movement of people and pedestrians and vehicles in that area. So I think it's a very important positive step taken towards decongesting the entire city. You know the traffic scenario as it is today, and it is not at all linked. We have the state government has reiterated time and again that it would resolve this matter, and we are committed to that. The reopening of Them Maulong has nothing to do with the resolution of the issue.